Hello, sweetheart. Now this is a new one. I haven't ever had a bat quite take a bottle like this before. Hold on to me. Yes, good girl. This is Fidget. This is Miss Fidget. Hello. Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? On her mum, she'd be in this position, or more in this position. Fidget's my oldest pup. Okay, you're nice and relaxed, aren't you? Here's that better view. I think it is. Look at that belly. Look at that belly expanding. I can see it growing in front of my eyes. It's like a balloon. What concentration. What focus. What single-mindedness, little girl. Hey? Well, how old's this one then? Good girl. Good girl.